Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a banana and blueberry loaf cake. Let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a mixing bowl and place in your butter, which should be at room temperature, but I microwaved mine a little too long, followed by the sugar. Then cream these two together until they are lighter and fluffier in colour and consistency. This takes a little while, so make sure you take the time. Feel free to use a stand mixer if you would prefer. Then you can go ahead and add in the eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition. Then not forgetting to add in your vanilla extract as well, as this will just help to flavour and bring out, and it will enhance the banana flavour. Next you can go ahead and throw in the bananas and then mix these in until they are fully incorporated. It may seem a little difficult with a hand mixer at first, but as you mix them in, it'll become much easier. It'll look very similar to a banana bread at this point, so give the bowl a good scraping down, and this is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your dry ingredients, followed by the baking powder, and then mix this in on a low speed to start with, working out to a medium speed, and just mix until it's fully incorporated, taking it no further. Then one last scraping down of the bowl, and this is just to incorporate any bits of dry ingredients that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and add in your blueberries, which have been coated in some flour just so they don't all sink to the very bottom of the loaf. Just mix these in until they're fairly distributed throughout the batter. Then you can go ahead and grab yourself a lined loaf pan and add in the cake batter into the loaf pan, spreading it out as best as you possibly can. You don't need to be super precise with this, but getting it more level and precise will help with the consistency of baking a little later on. So I just do this measurement, like this little movement where I stab the batter, and it'll just level it out perfectly. Then you can go ahead and top the cake batter with some more blueberries. You don't need to coat these ones in flour as they're sitting on top, but again, you can use more or less than I have. It's really up to yourself. I just take them from the weight of the blueberries that was inside as well, so just so there's an equal amount. Here's what it looks like up close. I'll leave all the baking times and temperatures that you will need in the blog post, which will be linked down below. So here's what the cake looks like once it's baked and fully cooled. You can cut it up and enjoy it. Believe me, this goes really well with a cup of tea or coffee, and it's really summery, so why not enhance that, that summery feeling? Even when the weather's not great, you can have it with this loaf cake. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.